Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? Yeah, first of all, subscribe to my channel. Then okay, let's talk. Yeah, do you realize not only Siberians live in Siberia? Do you realize we also have nationals from the former Soviet Union, the likes of the Tajikistan, the likes of, but then, okay, fine. I got to know, do you realize street foods are always too much more interesting than the normal, okay, exquisite and expensive restaurant foods? Now, let's go ahead, let's go try some street food. Do you remember I told you we were going to eat some food? Do you remember I told you, okay, spending probably all your dollars, all your euro in expensive and exquisite restaurant could not be necessary at times. Now, do you remember I told you about the Tajikistani delicacy, the Tajikistani food? It's so finger licking, it's so delicious, it's so, tasty. Now I'm here eating some samsa and some coffee early in the morning. Like, okay, these guys are so cool, they're so welcoming, they're so accommodating, they are so, they're so accommodating. Of course, I'm eating this for free. She just offered me this. Okay, I told her, she really loves Africans, she really loves Nigerians. So let's eat some samsa, please. Now our plov is ready, our bruschetta is ready also. Now I think the plov is just like the African plov, like the African jollof rice. Now let's eat some plov. But then we have some chai also. Now join me and enjoy the meal. I guess we have to eat the plov with some we have to eat the bread with the plov. I think I have to put some on the plov and just I guess I think that's enough. Yeah, come on, let's go. Bismillah. That's so delicious. It's so tasty. It's finger licking, man. Хорошо. Очень вкусно. Очень вкусно. Yeah, that's cool. I'm full already. I don't know how to deal with this. Like, the bread is so succulent, it's so delicious, it's so soft. Like, you just need to taste this. The tea is so cool. I'm taking some black tea. It's so cool, it's so delicious also. And I don't even know how to deal with the rice. Like, it's monoga. it's too much. This is Ismail, the son of the shop owner. Как тебя зовут? Ismail, очень приятно. No, it's kind of shy. But then when we're not making any video, he's always too inquisitive. He asks so many questions. Unbelievable. And Ismail really made my day. He's so fun to be with. This is Khleb, Vipyeshka, Samsa, and the likes of them. Yeah, let's go eat some Samsa. Let's go eat some Lotka also. Let's go eat some Lepyeshka also. Здравствуйте. Да, здравствуйте. Да, как у вас дела? Нормально. Нормально, хорошо. У вас как? Нормально, да. Чем занимаешься, пожалуйста?
Самсу делаю.
Самса, окей, будет вкусно, да?
Очень вкусно.
Окей, хорошо. Там, что это там? Что?
И заготовки делают для выпечки.
Я не понимаю, еще раз?
Заготовки делают для выпечки.
О, хорошо. Да, за сколько минут будет готов?
За сколько? Около полчаса, может, чуть больше.
Полчаса?
И больше немного.
И больше, да? She just told me it's gonna take about probably some 30 minutes to, or more than at most 40 minutes for it to get ready. Как вас зовут?
Умед зовут.
Что? Умед. Да. His name is Умед. Из Таджикистана, да?
Да, из Таджикистана.
Да, хорошо. Да, меня зовут Абдул Самад.
Очень приятно.
Да, очень приятно. Из Нигерии. Да. And this is the owner of the restaurant. He owns and controls the restaurant. Now, that's how the samosa is made. If it's a chicken samosa, he fills it with some marinated chicken and some onions. And if it's a beef samosa, he fills it with some marinated beef and some onions also. And it takes about 15 to 20 minutes for it to get ready. Now these are the ovens they use in baking the traditional Tajikistani bread and the samosa. Now they preheat the ovens for hours and hours before they put the doughs inside. Now they have to cool in the temperature of the oven by sprinkling some water in it before putting the doughs inside. And that's how the samosa is prepared. It dips its bare ends into a traditional oven, and it does that every good day. Not even an electric oven, like it does that every good day. And that's how we fetch the pretty looking salsa out of the oven. Like it's ready to eat and so hot, and And that's how she prepares the sausage. She roasts the dough around the sausage and does everything like that and on like that. And that makes the sausage so captivating and, finger licking, tempting. Like you can't just wait for the sausage to get out of the oven for you to eat, like it spends about 15 to 20 minutes for you to get ready. It takes about 15 minutes to get ready. Do you understand? So, and of course, enjoy your sausage with some drink. And here, my favorite is ready, the sausage, sosiska. Sosiska is tested, eh? Yeah. It's ready. It's so delicious. Дай мне одна, пожалуйста. Да. Спасибо. Спасибо большое. Now, to prepare the lepishka, it has to measure the lepishka on a scale, and it must actually be exactly. And this is how he arranges the dough into the oven one after the other like that, one by one, one by one, one by one like that. And okay, fine, he fills virtually all the oven with the bread like that till everything gets ready. From my own perspective, I just feel this is the most difficult and strenuous and laborious part of the baking. But then, they're used to it. They're used to doing that every day. But it's quite stressful and difficult. Now the lepishka is ready. That's how they remove it from the oven. See how brownish and attention calling they are. See how finger licking they're looking.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé.